practice on how to compare whole number and fractions. Okay, in comparison, we have 6 type of inequalities. Either it's greater than or greater or equal, less than, less or equal, and equal and does not equal. Okay, so here in this we use three basic means that greater than, less than, and equal. Understand? So similarly, if you check the worksheet for instruction for each pair of numbers, determine which is greater, which is smaller, or if they are equal, use the symbol greater than, less than, or equal to indicate your answer. Here you seen it clearly, dear. First of all, we simplify question number first. 5 is whole number. I am right?
Yeah.
Good. 5 is whole number. We compare with 3 out of 4. So first of all, we simplify 3 out of 4. Understand? 3 out of 4 we take 4 is divisor and 3 is numerator. Now here you seen it clearly, 3 is less than 4, so that's why I am write 0 point here and write 1 0 with 3 to make it greater than 4. So 4 times 7 we get 28 and we have 2 remainder. Understand? Again we write 0. So 2 times 4 we get 4 times 5 we get 20. Now we check that 0.75 is greater or less than 5. 0.75 is less than 5. Understand?
Yeah.
Good. And after that we are going to make practice on question number 2, which is about 7 out of 2 is greater or less than 3. So we write 2 is divisor and 7 is dividend. Here you seen it clearly. 2 times 3 we get 6. By reminder we get 1. You know that 1 is less than 2, so that's why we write point here, decimal point, and after that we write 0 here. We get 10. Now 10 is become greater than 2. So 2 times 5 we get 10. As a result we get 3.5. We compare with 3. 3.5 is greater than 3. Understand?
Yeah.
And after that 8 compare with 9 over 10. So we write 10 is a divisor and 9 is divided. And after that 9 is less than 10. So that's why we write 0 point here and after that drop 0 here. It's become 90, which is greater than 10. So 10 times 9 we get 90. As a result, quotient we get 0.9, which is less than 8.
4.
8. Understand? Now check question number 4. Question number 4, 11 out of 3 is compared with 4. So we write 11 out of 3 here. So 3 is divisor and 11 is divided. Now you check, compare, 11 is greater than 3. So we check the least number than 11, which is multiple of 3. 3 times 1 we get 3. 3 times 2 we get 6. 3 times 3 we get 9. 3 times 4 we get 12. And 12 is greater than 11, so that's why we multiply on 3 times 3. We get 9. 9 negative 11. We get how much? 2. Understand? Again, 2 is less than 3, so that's why we write point here and write 0 here to make it greater. Now you seen it clearly, it's become 20. 3 times 6 we get 18.
3 times 6 we get 18.
Good. And again we have 2 left. Again if we write 0, so 6 is repeating. Understand? So 3.666 is less than 4. Understand?
Yeah.
And after that the last one, 6 is compared with 5 out of 6. Can you make practice on this one? I will check how much is your understanding about this topic.